The goal is to save $2 billion a year. The United States Postal Service says they can do that by not delivering mail to street addresses on Saturdays. The question is, how much will it affect you?
I don't see it they'll have a big impact.
Mail delivery cut from 6 days a week to 5.
I think it's a wonderful idea.
All in an attempt to save money by a service that receives no tax dollars for operating expenses and relies on the sale of postage, products, and services to operate. A recent survey says 7 out of 10 people like the idea.
My only concern would be people who weigh down checks in the mail, like, senior citizens, people getting Social Security. That would be, I think, the biggest impact.
Post office has got to do something pretty miraculous, or else the people in the hinterlands who take great advantage of the fact that the post office delivers will lose that service completely.
Beginning in August, mail delivery to street addresses will only happen Monday through Friday. Mail addressed to post office boxes will continue on Saturdays, and post offices currently open on Saturdays will remain open.
The Postal Service has seen an increase in package delivery over the last couple of years, so that service will continue 6 days a week. Reporting from Santa Rosa County, Jim Carmack, Channel 3 News.